Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Claudia and today I'm making a very easy and delicious recipe, the Nutella Puff Pastry Pockets. Let's start it! These are the ingredients to prepare the puff pastry pockets. You can find more information in the info box or at the top right in information sheets. Cut the puff pastry into 8 rectangles. Make 5 cuts in one of 2 halves of each rectangle. Put in the other half of each rectangle 1 teaspoon of Nutella. And half teaspoon of coconut cream. Close the puff pastry pockets, sealing the edges with your fingertips. Brush the top of pockets with milk and oil emulsion. Bake the pockets in oven for 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Take out of the oven and cool to room temperature. Sprinkle the pockets with icing sugar. And the Nutella Puff Pastry Pockets are ready. Click a like if you enjoyed this recipe and subscribe to my channel to not lose all my videos. Follow me on social network, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and Pinterest. You can find all the links in the info box. Replay this recipe, enjoy it! See you on the next video, goodbye!